I bet you didn't know that ancient Egyptians believed in an afterlife filled with grandeur and mystery. Today, we uncover those secrets. The ancient Egyptians believed that death was just the beginning. Mummification was key, preserving the body for its journey to the afterlife. Organs were carefully removed, but the heart stayed. Why? They believed it would be weighed against the feather of truth. Journey deep into the Valley of the Kings, where tombs were filled with treasures. Gold, jewels, and even everyday items, all meant to accompany pharaohs in the afterlife. But this wealth attracted tomb robbers. Despite traps and curses, many tombs were looted over the centuries. Yet some secrets were too well hidden. The tomb of Tutankhamun, discovered in 1922, was a treasure trove. It gave us invaluable insights into the lives and beliefs of these ancient rulers. The mysteries of the pharaoh's afterlife continue to captivate us. What other secrets might still be hidden in the sands of Egypt? Stay curious and keep exploring.